Welcome back to our channel. I'm Aaliyah.
I'm Kelly.
And we have a special guest.
Get over here.
Ow.
Hello. I'm Kelly's brother. And my name is JJ. He is Braceface. Shut up. He only has one slime.
Today we're doing a slime review. And Kelly's going to start.
I'll start.
Okay, fine.
Wait, what are my glasses?
I don't know.
You gotta talk like you're doing it.
I don't know what to say.
It's like, well, it's stretchy and it's pokeable. Wow. It's stretchy. I'm not the camera.
Yeah, look at the camera.
And you can poke it. It's super
I
stretchy.
think you might want to poke it on the table.
See, it's super pokeable. And you can stretch it. So that's my only slime. Bye. See you later.
Now,
Bye.
Oh.
And look at the rest of
Now
the channel.
now Kelly is going to show hers.
Okay.
He said, oh, hey.
I want to start with this blue slime.
Why are you talking like that?
God dang.
I love this.
Oh.
Probably not going to get all of this.
Stretchy.
I like the glasses.
And
I like it.
small.
Are you a lizard?
What?
And my next one, I don't know what this is.
I can't see it. That's so good.
Ah. It's scratching. Move your hand. Move it.
No.
Move it. And it's pokeable. And it's got foam beads and beads in it. I don't know what color it is.
Is that your old one?
No.
I thought you made that up.
It's stretching. I don't see that. And my next one, made of the same color. I can't. Yeah. This one is a purple slime with glitter in it. What is that else? Put it down.
I've got the other half of the heart.
No, she don't. She lost it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, she did.
No, I didn't.
What else? Or where's it at? Like,
Is that your last one?
no.
Oh.
Loser?
Who you calling a loser?
No.
Why? You're a loser.
Cause you're a loser.
Take the L.
Take the L. This one is my last one. It has beads in it and glitter.
Litter?
It has glitter in it.
It's got trash in it.
It's got a lot of trash. I know you're trash.
Litter. You're trash at trash talking.
You're trash. I would burn you, but I'm not allowed to burn trash.
Jeremiah said that to me.
No, Chloe.
Thank you. So, first I have this unicorn slime. I put it in a bag so I can make another one. It's a struggle to get this out. Come on. I did pretty good. Stop! I didn't do that to yours.
This is good.
Alright, so. And so, this is big.
Unicorn bar.
It's a unicorn slime. It was pink, purple. If you don't quit, I promise.
Promise what? That you'll give me a
No, I will give you a nightmare.
You'll give me a dum dum?
My dear. Because you are a dum-dum.
You are. I'll give you a ding dong.
Shh.
I'll give you a
Smarty.
no, definitely not. So it has beads in it, and it's got sprinkles. It's got sprinkles in it. There's a sprinkle, and it's store bought from Claire's. It comes in pink, purple, and blue. I just mixed it in, and I put pigment in it. I put pink and purple pigment in it. And that's how I got this color. And, yeah. Can you hold the bag? With both hands. Open. Like this, please. Oh, never mind. I'll just put this in myself, I think. I can.
It's so hard to find a good assistant.
Huh?
It's so hard to find a good assistant.
What the world are you saying?
It's so hard to find a good assistant, deaf girl.
I've got this slime. It's got seashells and dolphins in it. It's a fluffy slime, and it's really, really fluffy. Here's a dolphin, and there's a lot of seashells in here. Here's one. And it's very crunchy too. And it's in a flat container, and I drew a face on it. It wouldn't fit in one of these containers. This one is my
That she
silver
gave to me
slime.
and took back from me.
Huh?
That she gave to me and took back.
This is my silver slime, and it has a lot of pigment in it, so it's not really stretchy. And this is Flarp. It's apparently store-bought. Flarp with the L. Flarp.
Please, what?
It farts.
So it does fart.
No, shush. So yeah, it's pink and glossy and stretchy and pokeable and all that stuff. And I did have it painted like a unicorn, but somebody got into my glue and poured glue all over my container. So next, I'm gonna show you my glitter slime that's in a glitter container. That was a prank, so they could think it was glitter, but it got messed up in my bag. It makes a fart noise if you put it back in. It takes a long time to put it back in, but I make it quick. It's kind of stretchy. It's kind of hard too. It got harder. I'm just going to do what I usually do. No, this ain't going to work.
You should just fart.
It's not doing it. There we go. It farted. Kelly, did you fart?
Shh.
And now we're doing my other flirt. I added foam beads into it, and it reminds me of magic. It's like super, super crunchy too.
Not crunchy at all.
Shut up, yes it is.
Not crunchy.
It is. It is kind of crunchy. it's purple.
Oh, look, it's pink.
It was dyed. It was purple, but I dyed it.
Oh, I know.
I dyed
It's
it
pink.
It was pink, not purple. It was pink, but I dyed it purple with my neon purple dye. And then today Kelly gave me foam beads, and I added them into this.
Oh, Leah, you gotta go poop.
Do you? This is like a really good slime. It is cupcake batter. It's got little sprinkles in it that I added. And it was supposed to be a white slime, just a plain white slime. But it turned out, because I thought I had gotten all the red out of the container, so I just kept on adding white and it just got to this color. And it's like a tannish color, I think.
Peach color.
This don't look like peach. Peach is like
Because
really
you're
color.
colorblind.
I'm not colorblind.
You are.
I'm not colorblind. I made this one especially for Addison because she loves cupcakes. She gets them all over her face. Last but not least, this is my favorite slime. I just made it today in Kelly's room, secretly.
Not
Not
secretly.
secret anymore.
Pokemon slime.
It's twisted candy cane. I separated it in a bowl. It's actually like a really light pink because a little bit, like a tiny bit of red got mixed into it. So it's like really light pink. And now I'm going to play with
Which
it.
is called peach.
Now I'm going to play with it and mess it all up. It definitely reminds me of candy cane. It's like a very nice flow because I have this paint that melts slime, and I kept on adding that to get the red. So I asked JJ if he had red dye, and so he went and got red dye. And foam beads get everywhere. It's very, very clunky. It's supposed to be holdable, but I don't think it is. See. Because it's a foam, so it's supposed to be holdable. Holdable. It's definitely and I think it is. It's kind of melty. And yeah, that's my slime. Alright, so this is the end of the video, and hope you enjoyed it. And yeah.
You have to do outro.
Bye.
You have to do like hit that like button.
Let's get it to at least 100 likes, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And yeah, so bye. Go ahead. Bye. Bye.
This slime review was brought to you by Carzunavision and filmed in front of a live studio audience. Obviously, some people didn't like the reviews.
I did.